Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to another vlog. So today is a Monday. I'm about to go in and do something that I've never done before, and that is getting my first mammogram. I'm a little nervous about getting this done. Never had it done. Heard so many horror stories, y'all. But I'm sure it's not as bad as everyone is making it out to be. But hey, it has to be done. So that's what I'm about to go and do. I am here. It is about 8:15. My appointment is at 8:30, so I have a little bit of time before I go in, but I just wanted to hop on real quick and introduce the vlog before I go in. But I will be coming back to let you guys know how it went. So I just got done and it was so quick and easy. I think that I was back there not even 10 minutes, y'all. Not even 10 minutes. So quick and easy. Those horror stories, do not believe them. But I just wanted to encourage you guys to schedule those mammograms, get them done, because they can sustain your life. They are put in place for a reason. They are a preventative measure to catch things early if anything is there. Please, y'all, schedule those mammograms. And it was so ironic that you guys know about Ananda Lewis. If you have not heard of her story, look her story up, y'all. Please look her story up. So I actually scheduled my mammogram the day before she passed. The day before. And I was like, whoa. I believe that that was some type of sign to me. Even if I didn't schedule it the day before, after I heard her story, I would have scheduled my mammogram the next day or that same day if I could, after hearing her story. But y'all, if you are scared to do it, you're against it, or what have you, just look up her story, pay attention to her story, and then go ahead and schedule your mammogram. Also, do your monthly self breast exams in the shower, or if you just want to lay flat on the bed and do your exams, do those as well, just to make sure that you are ahead of the game when it comes to the health of your breast. If there's something there, we want to catch it early, y'all. Please, I urge you, if you are thinking about it, go ahead and schedule that mammogram. It is not as bad as what those horror stories say. It's not bad at all. It's really not, y'all. I'm serious. Get it done. All right, so I have to be to work at 9:30. I have maybe about 50 minutes, so I'm about to go and grab me some breakfast and head on into work. So I just picked up my food from Eggs Up Grill, and y'all, do not let the name fool you, because these pancakes, it's the pumpkin cream pancakes, they don't taste like they have a whole lot of pumpkin in it. You kind of get more like of a praline taste to them. So good, y'all. My friend put me on these. I had these on Saturday. Today is Monday. I'm eating them again. They are so good, y'all. Check them out if you have a Eggs Up Grill in your area. Good morning, y'all. So I am outside about to get it in real early. It is now 9:33 a.m. A little later than I wanted to. I was out here, started doing some other stuff when I should have been working out. Anyway, we about to get this workout done. Y'all see I got some shade here in the driveway. I'm about to show y'all what I'm about to get into today. But before I do that, let me tell y'all about this rope that I bought from TJ Maxx. Y'all saw when I picked this up. So this is the brand. If you did not catch my video, that's the brand. And when I opened this bag, this box, y'all, I was so surprised, because look, It came with 2 ropes plus the handle plus the bag. Okay, this was like $15 from TJ Maxx. Let me show y'all what I love about this rope. All right, so I already got mine put together because I did use it last night. But this is the handle. It's a 2-pound weighted handle. This is the rope. So let me show y'all how this works. So what you do is you just take it, and you just start to push it in. Pull it and it's locked. So you can adjust this rope to whatever length that you need. If you're taller, don't push it in that far. I'm a little shorter, so I'm gonna push mine in just a little bit more. It's locked, y'all. Oh my goodness, I love this little rope here. Okay. If y'all see this rope at TJ Maxx on clearance, I wouldn't pay $40 for it, but $15 is definitely a go for the rope. All right. All right, let's get this workout going, y'all. So I know that it's been a little while since I've shared any type of fitness journey update, but y'all, I have still been on it. I am down 13 pounds and I have not been working out as much as I would like to, but my eating habits, I have been staying on top of that and I have still been dropping weight. So I am honestly so proud of that. So I am getting back on track because I do not want to lose my progress. And then you guys know it's about to get cold outside. It's time for the soups, the baked goods. The holidays are coming up, all the things. So you definitely, well, I am definitely going to stay on top of it because I do not want to gain the weight back that I lost. So let me know down in the comments how you guys are doing on your own personal fitness journeys. I know that you guys commented back and let me know that you were inspired to start your own or you've already been on your own journey. Let me know how it's going. I would love to talk to you guys down in the comments. All right, y'all, so small grocery haul of items that I picked up this week to do my meal prep with. I went to Aldi and Sam's Club. So from Aldi, I have these tomatoes here. And then I have 3 dozen of eggs. The cauliflower rice, y'all. I was looking for the other vegetables. I think it's, I can't remember the name of it, but I will put it up on the screen. But my store was out of it, but I always pick up the cauliflower rice because I really like it. Also picked up a package of tri-colored peppers and apples. That's everything that I picked up from Aldi. Then from Sam's Club, I have 2 of these salad kits. I really like it. It's not as good as the, I think it's maple bourbon salad kit that came out last year. Haven't seen it yet, but this one would do. I have 2 of those. I also picked up a rotisserie chicken and then a bag of cuties for the girls. So I didn't need a whole lot. I'm just going to meal prep some items to begin to get myself back on track. So let's go ahead and get started with that. So everything that I'm going to prepare, you've already seen me do it here on the channel before. So I'm just going to boil some eggs. I'm going to saute some shrimp, prepare the cauliflower rice. I'm also going to make some egg bites. And I'm going to prepare some veggies for my salads. And yes, I do wash the lettuce from my salad kits, because if you know, you know. I've gotten a surprise in there before, so I washed it.
And it never gets hard enough for ya. You've been enchanting this heart of mine for the longest time. Slow dancer, you stun me up with all your romancing, and it's making me weak like no one else, like there's no one else in the world. I'm under your spell, baby. This is our time. The dance floor is jumping. Move me tonight, boy. You got something that makes me feel like I'm at the top of the world. Spin me around and around, and this is our time. The dance floor is jumping. Move me tonight, boy. You got something that makes me feel like I'm at the top of the world. Spin me around and around, yeah. Dance with me. The music is making me so dizzy. I need to give in to the strong rhythm, 'cause I'm beginning to break free. Be here with me. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Be with me. This is our time. The dance floor is jumping. Move me tonight, boy. You got something that makes me feel like I'm at the top of the world. Spin me around and around, and this is our time. The dance floor is jumping. Move me tonight, boy. You got something that makes me feel like I'm at the top of the world. Round and around, yeah. I'm at the top of the world. I'm at the top of the world. I'm at the top of the world. Spin me around, round and around. Yeah.
So instead of my usual tuna, I decided to make seafood salad this week instead. And it's just imitation crab meat, some of that shrimp that you saw me saute, the seasonings that you just saw me show you guys. And then I add in some Kraft mayo and then some relish. It's so good and easy to make. All right, y'all. So meal prepping is done. So I have my salad mix here in this bowl. This is that rotisserie chicken that I cut up. This is the seafood salad, eggs for snacks and salads. This is a package of sweet potatoes that I've already steamed in the microwave, and I've already put cinnamon on it. I'll pair it with whatever protein. Then I saved some of that shrimp to make a salad with this week, just to switch up the protein. I have cucumbers, the tomatoes, the cauliflower rice, and then the egg bites. So this is not everything that I'll be eating this week, but it is the majority of what I will have. Meal prepping does not have to be complicated, y'all. You can take whatever shortcuts that you need to take if you are short on time, like you see that I did this week. I'm telling you, just do whatever works for you. If you have a whole lot of time, do it however you want to do it. It does not have to be perfect. It does not have to look like everyone else's, just as long as you are meeting your goals. So I wanted to share a little haul with you guys. It's a personal haul. Next week, I have a home decor haul that I want to share with you guys. These are items that I picked up recently that came this week. So I picked up this pair of Nike Dunks. I love the color of these. I got these from Champs. They were on sale. Plus I had a coupon. Yes. Love that. Also have this lotion that was recommended to me by my girl Star. It's jasmine and peach and it smells so good. I haven't used it yet, but it smells really good. Then I also have these sand and fog oils. So if you cannot find these in your store, you can go to the Sand and Fog website to order them. Now, they are priced just a little bit higher, but if you think about it, by the time you use your gas going up and down the road trying to find these, because chances are you probably won't find what you're looking for, you might as well go ahead and order. You can Google a discount code to use while you purchase these. I think the code that I used was review15 and it took 15% off. So I was able to go ahead and order the ones that I have been looking for, which is lemon sugar, amber and pear, pear blossom, and lilac wine. So from Amazon, I ordered this cuticle oil set. I think it's 7 of these in here. I really needed something that I could keep in my desk drawer and in my purse. And this is what it looks like. It has dried flowers in it. They smell really good. I will link them down in the description box if you are interested. And then moving on into the pants that I purchased recently from Fashion Nova, I bought these pair of pants. These are a large because I wanted them to fit a little bit bigger. And this is the color of them, which I love. This is a large. And these pants that I am so excited to tell you guys about, I have to put you guys on because someone put me on. My girl put me on to these. She sent me a reel, which I will link down in my description box. You can watch it so that you can make your decision from there like I did. But looking at these pants online, they don't look like much, but they fit so good. I will put a picture up of the denim pair that I tried on and that I've already worn so that you guys can see the fit of them. So I had to size down on these, y'all. So this is a medium and I usually wear a large, but I have more room in these, which I am so excited about. So I also love the waist in these. So good. I love it. So that's the camel pair that I have. And then I also have this brown pair, which is also in a medium. And that's the waist. But I love how these fit. They are so nice, comfortable. And y'all, you cannot beat the price of $17. You just cannot beat it. So that is everything that I picked up recently. So that brings us to the end of this week's video. I hope that it motivated you in some way to stay on top of your health and to also start a fitness journey of your own if you have not already. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this week's video, and I will talk to you all in my next one.